As we have seen, being able to set the value of variables during the operation of our programs is a key programming concept, as it allows us to change the way our programs run, even as they're running. Let's take a look at how best to achieve this on the computer. Here I have a cog simulation to show how one cog can be used to turn another. To program this, I set the cogs to constantly rotate. The turn speed is whatever the value of rotation speed is. Rotation speed is a global variable, a variable for all sprites, since I need both my cog sprites to be able to access its value. You can see that when the simulation starts, rotation speed is set to equal 0, so the wheels don't turn. The code here is used to set the value of rotation speed. As you can see, when the keys 1, 2 or 3 are pressed, a different rotation speed value is set. Since this is within a forever loop, it is always sensing for a key to be pressed, so the value of rotation speed can change as much as we want during our simulation. As you can see, when 1 is pressed, the cogs turn slowly. When 2 is pressed, slightly more quickly, and when 3 is pressed, slightly more quickly still. And of course, I'm not just limited to sensing for inputs from the keyboard. The code here is sensing for the cogs to be touching the mouse pointer. If they do touch, the rotation speed is given a boost to 10, so the cogs turn really quickly. We can keep changing the speed of the cogs as much as we want, all the time our program is running. So as you can see, changing the value of variables as our programs run is incredibly useful and allows us to create even more interesting games and simulations that can change the way they operate even as we're using them.